Uniswap is a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange. First, you search for a token that you're interested in. Then you can see the total liquidity on this token. You can see the amount of trading volume that's been going on, and you can see the amount of fees that liquidity poolers have generated. As you can see, for this particular token, there are 120,000 pooled 0xBTC versus 52.7 pooled ETH. This is what's in the vault, and the price of these assets against each other is equal to the ratio of the pooled tokens that are in the vault. There are everyday users who are pooling tokens into the vault. When you add tokens into this vault, you will earn the trading fees. This is because you own a portion of the vault, and all of the trading fees are going into the vault. At the moment when you add liquidity to the pool, you have to provide half value in one of the assets and half value in one of the other assets. So for example, you'd have to provide $1,000 of liquidity of 0xBTC and $1,000 of liquidity of ETH in order to add $2,000 of total value worth of liquidity to this pool. Now let's say we wanted to trade. So we're just going to click on the trade button up at the top, and we can very easily put in the amount we want to swap, click connect wallet, and swap. Now if we want it to pool, be the back end of the exchange, just click on add liquidity, select the two assets through which you will collect trading fees, and then use the interface below in order to add that liquidity to the pool. When you add liquidity to the pool, you will be rewarded with LP tokens. Your LP tokens represent your share of the pool. For example, if there are 10 total LP tokens and you have one LP token, that means that you own 10% of the pool. You own 10% of the vault. So at a later time, you can turn in those LP tokens and you will receive 10% of all the contents of the vault at that time. If the price ratio between the assets has changed since then, what you get back will be different than what you put in. This is entirely just based on what's in the vault at that later time. When users swap, they are adding one type of token and removing a different type of token from the vault, and then leaving behind a small fee. These fees add up over time, so the longer you pool, the better.